Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of iPrint3D, the official channel of printmymini.com. We're doing a support demo today for Cassandra, one of the other Resident Evil daughters. Very early, again, in-game where Mr. Winters encounters Alcina. If you already watched my Bela video, you kind of know where that was. We discussed that, alright? If you were paying attention, it was mentioned, okay? If not, go back and watch it. It's a good video. Anyway, you get the idea. These are bad ladies. Now, I haven't worked on the third daughter. I believe her name is Daniela, and I do have a support done for Alcina already, but I didn't actually capture that one. So maybe we'll get a chance to see Daniela, and maybe I'll redo Alcina for you guys. She's a pretty cool one. She's huge. Big bust model. So I did want to take a few minutes again to mention that we are going to do a Halloween giveaway. Starting from now until the 31st, we will be looking for subs and comments. And we need you guys to mention the phrase, "Give me my minis," in the comment. You can say anything else you want as well, but that phrase needs to be there. Subscribe and add a comment between now, October 16th, and October 31st, and you are entered to be randomly drawn to win one of two cool prizes from us. And again, we're going to have two people are going to get one set of prizes, and one person is going to get a much cooler, bigger prize. So that is 3 prizes in total, and it is going to be randomly drawn based on the people that do subscribe and comment between, again, now and the 31st. And the prize will eventually, I think we're going to figure out the prize will be shipped somewhere between the beginning or middle of November to the end of November. So if you do win, you'll get the package probably about 2 weeks after we announce the actual winner, which will be right after the 31st. So anyway, if you're interested, subscribe, give us a comment. I think we'll be worth your while. Anyway, we'll leave more information in the description. So if you are interested, please read the description. It will have more information about what you actually need to do. Again, it's pretty simple. Just subscribe, leave us a comment, give me my minis. Done. That's it. We'll be all good. Anyway, this is once again sped up about 1.5 times. So enjoy the music, chill, and watch this beautiful support while I support this beautiful sculpt from Digital Dark Pin-ups. Again, I will have some more links in the description below as always, where you can purchase one of these wonderful prints, of course, from us. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. It's been a real pleasure to have you guys join us. I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, please leave a comment and let us know what about these videos you like and what you'd like to see. Maybe there's something you want me to support particularly. I'm down for a challenge. Just let me know. Leave a comment. Anyway, thanks again for watching. See you real soon.